Hey everybody, I'm Wollerswald, and in this video we're going to take a look at credit cards that offer cell phone protection when you pay your cell phone bill with them. But first, if you're new to this channel is all about credit cards, credit card rewards, and showing you how you can use your points and miles to travel for less. So if that's something that interests you, consider subscribing and turn the bell notification on as well. Also, consider giving the video a thumbs up, it really does help the channel out. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but cell phones are getting quite expensive, and it's not uncommon to see flagship phones hit that $1,000 mark or more anymore. And with foldable phones making their way on the market, we are seeing some super expensive phones as well. And luckily for us, there are credit cards that offer cell phone protection, and this is an undervalued benefit, I think, and I actually love this perk from credit cards. And if you happen to be paying your cell phone bill with a credit card that offers cell phone protection, this can also save you money by not paying your cell phone provider for cell phone insurance. I really don't think I need or should have to say this, but I guess I will. But you need to pay your bill with these cards in order to be eligible for cell phone protection. You just don't get it for having the card in your sock drawer. Now, I know there are a lot of people who have prepaid plans out there, but prepaid plans are actually excluded from these coverages, which I think is actually pretty unfortunate. Now, let's first start off by looking at the Citi Prestige. The Prestige offers up to $1,000 in cell phone coverage per claim, and it's limited to $1,500 in a 12-month period, and you're also going to have a $50 deductible, really bringing your coverage down to $950, which is still really awesome. Now, you're not going to earn a multiplier for your cell phone payment, but the coverage on this will help reduce the pain of buying a new phone if you ever needed to do that. But this card does come with a $495 annual fee, so that could sway you to a couple of other options on this list. Now let's take a look at the World Mastercards. Now what is amazing about this is that the fact that it's not tied to a bank. This is offered by MasterCard, and the coverage here is actually quite good. Because when you pay your cell phone bill with a World Mastercard, you're going to receive cell phone protection for up to $600 per claim with up to $1,000 in yearly coverages, and you're also limited to 2 claims per year. This is also going to have a $50 deductible, bringing your coverage down to $550. And really, this can actually get slightly better for you. Because if you have a World Elite MasterCard, then you can get cell phone protection for up to $800 with up to $1,000 in yearly coverages. And just like the World MasterCard, this is limited to 2 claims per year, and you're also going to have a $50 deductible, so you're really going to be getting $750 in coverage. And the offerings from the World MasterCard and World Elite MasterCard is pretty damn awesome. The fact you can get cell phone coverage with these cards, and plenty of them have no annual fee, is pretty amazing. This opens up many cards to cell phone protection like the Citi Double Cash, the Bank of America Cash Rewards, the Saver Card, American Airline credit cards, and plenty of others. And it's hard not to like this given that it's a positive change to the World and World Elite MasterCards, and I even pay my cell phone bill with the Double Cash just because of this benefit. Now let's take a look at the Chase Ink Preferred. The Chase Ink Preferred offers up to $600 in cell phone protection, and it comes with a $100 deductible. And while it offers cell phone protection, it does have the highest deductible options on this list. So really, you're looking at $500 that you would receive if you ever needed to use this benefit, which is the lowest net coverage of any card on the list as well. But I guess the Ink Preferred makes up for it since it earns triple points on your cell phone payments, and you're able to use this benefit of a maximum of 3 claims in a 12-month period, which is more than the other options on this list because they usually max out at 2 claims in a 12-month period. And the Chase Ink Preferred comes with a manageable $95 annual fee. Now let's take a look at the Barclays Uber credit card. And the Uber card used to be such a good credit card. But while this card isn't a card I use anymore, it still offers cell phone protection, which can be quite useful for people. And the Uber credit card will offer you up to $600 in cell phone protection with a max of 2 claims and a maximum of $1,000 in coverage in a 12-month period. But on a positive note, the deductible is only $25, so you would receive $575 in coverage, and the Uber credit card comes with no annual fee. Now let's take a look at Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo does something when it comes to their credit cards and cell phone protection, and I can really appreciate this, because they offer it on all of their credit cards. And you don't need a credit card that comes with an annual fee or have to have a card that requires great credit to receive cell phone protection. So I think this is really good on Wells Fargo for offering this benefit to all of their credit card customers instead of just a select few. And there are quite a few cards that they offer, so even if you're a student, Wells Fargo has you covered. And you're going to receive up to $600 in cell phone protection with a maximum of up to $1,200 in coverage in a 12-month period. And this is limited to 2 claims in a 12-month period. You also have a $25 deductible, so you're going to receive $575 from this benefit. Next, let's take a look at the US Bank Visa Platinum card. And I actually find this one just a little bit frustrating because the only card US Bank offers cell phone protection on is a lower end credit card. I mean, you'd think they'd offer this for their $400 altitude reserve. But the Visa Platinum card does come with up to $600 in cell phone protection with a maximum benefit of $1,200 and 2 claims maximum in a 12-month period. It also has a $25 deductible and it comes with no annual fee. And while this credit card offers cell phone protection, you do want to keep in mind that this card offers no credit card rewards, and I do find that just a little bit tough. Now, I think it's great to see credit cards offering cell phone protection, including higher tier cards like the Citi Prestige. And even though the Prestige offers up to $1,000 in cell phone coverage, I really think the World Elite MasterCard option here is the most intriguing, because there are plenty of no-fee World Elite Master credit cards on the market, and I think that could be potentially better for people than the Prestige when you take into account the annual fee on that card. I also think it's nice that there are credit cards on the market that don't require a great credit score in order to receive cell phone protection. And hopefully we see more credit cards roll out cell phone protection, because as cell phones get more and more expensive, this will become a more valuable benefit for customers. So tell me, do you pay your bill with a credit card that offers cell phone protection? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, a simple way would be use links on the website or in the description below. And until next time, safe travels and take care.